I am writing for decades. Actually, I am writing for moreover 4 decades. I saw in Palestine a bookstall named Ikra Kitaban, and this is my plot. My poem's name is Ikra Kitaban, and I have written in Arabic. This is the first Arabic poem I wrote. Viewers, this is for you. Ikra kitaban, ahlan sahlan. Iqra ayyuhal insan. Ahlan sahlan kitabul ihsan. Ahlan sahlan kitabul azan. Ahlan sahlan iqra kitaban. This bookstall is not only a bookstall, it's the calling from the Palestinian people, Palestinians, those who are in a very rude and very sad situation. Thank you very much.